Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The Prophet ﷺ said, the book of prayer to Eids. Ibn Abbas raziyallahu anhu reported, I participated in the Fitr prayer with the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Abu Bakr, Umar and Usman raziyallahu anhum, and all of them observed this prayer before the khutbah, and then the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered the sermon. Then the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam descended from the pulpit, and I perceive as if I am seeing him as he is commanding people with his hand to sit down. He then made his way through their assembly till he came to the woman. Bilal raziyallahu anhu was with him. He then recited this verse: O Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when believing women come to thee giving thee a pledge that they will not associate aught with Allah, 1:12, till he finished his address to them and then said, do you confirm to it what has been described in the verse? Only one woman among them replied, yes, Apostle of Allah, but none else replied. He, the narrator, said, it could not be ascertained who actually she was. He, the Holy Prophet ﷺ, exhorted them to give alms. Bilal stretched his cloth and then said, come forward with alms. Let my father and mother to be taken as ransom for you. And they began to throw rings and ringlets in the cloth of Bilal raziyallahu anhu. Sahih Muslim 884a. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.